Now, I'm going to start off a little different.
Okay.
If I can remember how we started.
All right.
We're going to do the old Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Like it ain't never been done.
Let me hear it.
Here, down the road here for me, there's a old hollow tree where they run off a gallon or two. Yes, I do, yes, I do, yes, I do,
yes, I do.
And the buzzards in the sky,
Oh, they do.
they get so drunk they can't fly.
Sure do.
Because they're smelling that good old Mountain Dew.
Oh, they call it that old Mountain Dew. And them that refuse it are you. I'll hook up my mug and fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew.
Sing one, son.
Now my brother Bill got a still on that hill where runs off a galleon or two. Oh, and the buzzards in the sky, yes, the drunk they can't fly from smelling that old Mountain Dew.
That's right, cause friend they call it that good old Mountain Dew.
Good old, good old.
And them that refuse it of you. I'll shut up my mug if you fill up my jug with some good old Mountain Dew.
Take one. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah. Ain't a hard.
Listen.
Sing one.
Now my brother Norton, he sawed off squatty and short. Measures about 4'2".
Jimmy Dickens.
But that Jewel thinks he's a giant. If you pour him down a pint
That's right.
of that good old mountain squeezes, that's why they call it that good old Mountain Dew. And them that refuse it of you, well, I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old Mountain Dew. Do a tag now. Oh, I'll hush up my mug if you fill up my jug with that good old